everybody, it's me, Rachel. In today's video, I am going to do an Ulta haul, and got a few things. So I just wanted to show you guys these, and yes. So the first thing I got, which I haven't opened yet, is this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow Set, and it's has 9 different shadows in it. I have had a Super Shock shadows in the past, but I have not had any recently, and I really wanted to get these. This opens this way. Let's see. Yes. So there is 9 of these. Look at how pretty some of these are. So pretty. So I can't wait to play with that. If you would like a separate video on any of the things in this video, please let me know and I shall do that. The next thing I got is 12 Days of Whispers, which is basically, I got a book of lashes. I like to get these every year. They are from Ardell, so they're pretty great quality lashes. And it's an advent calendar of sorts, and I did not use it for that, so just trying to open this, but it's like really not working. Okay, so here is the theme, the lashes, but it shows you what you get here on the back as well. So just gonna open one for giggles. You can actually open this part and slide it out, which is actually probably more convenient. So 12 lashes, that's a good thing. And then I got the Best Beauty Beats. So some of the stuff in here is not cruelty free, but that's just a gift for somebody else. So in here there is a Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, a Buxom Lip Gloss, a Tarte Hydrating Primer, a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, a Kylie Lipstick, I think it's Yard, I'm not sure, a mascara, a liner, a Brow Wiz, and then the NARS blush. The only thing in here that's not cruelty free is the NARS thing, so I think that's kind of a great deal. And that's what everything looks like. And then there's like a $5 off full-size item, which I'll probably just use for like a Bare Minerals thing or something, because everything else I don't need essentially a full-size item. So probably just the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, because that's something I could use up quite quickly, and I use mostly every time I do makeup. And then this is just my conditioner. I just needed this, so I got that. Then in here, in this little pouch, I got some LA Girl things, and I was really excited about these. I don't have a lot of LA Girl products, so I wanted to try these. I got 2 blushes. One blush is in Just Peachy, so pretty, and then this one is Just Dazzle, and I want to swatch the Dazzle one because it just looks so fun and unique, and I need to get my handy dandy tool. It's real pretty. It's not super smooth, but with a blush sometimes you don't want product to just jump off the pan, you know. Then I've been wanting to try some Mario Badescu, if that's how you say it, products. So I got this. This is a $12 value. It's a multitasker. So I'm just going to open it. And it has quite some good sized products in here. So this is the Super Collagen Mask. That one is super cool. And then this one is Brightening Mask with Vitamin C. And then a Flower and Tonic Mask. So they are all 1 fluid ounce, which is actually a good size a good amount to figure out whether you like it or not. So really excited about these. I don't tend to buy a lot of skincare for myself, like out of like my own free will. I tend to get it in like BoxyCharm and stuff like that. And then I got some stuff from the Body Shop. I have found that I pretty much ran out of lotion or hand cream, and then I did get quite a bit for Christmas, so that's good because I was like completely out. So now I won't be completely out. I got this almond milk and honey body butter, the full size ones. It's real big. I'm not gonna open that one quite yet because I've already smelled the other one. I can open this one. So this is the body yogurt in strawberry. I just love their strawberry things. Look at it. It just kind of smells like strawberry jello. It smells so good. I just love it. I want to just eat it up. It smells so good. Alright. So I got this face palette from Smashbox. This Halo Cheek palette. And before I purchased it, because I did this all online, and I did not know that it was cream products in here as well, but it's really pretty packaging. And I'm not mad about it, but I did not know that when I was purchasing it. So they're not like super creamy, but they're like, what is it called? I don't really know, but it's like a highlighter and blush, and the blushes are covered up with this. So I don't know if they're cream or not. It doesn't like say, but they are covered up. But they are a different texture. They're like kind of like cooling. I'm not really sure. I'll put a picture on here so maybe we can figure it out more together whilst that picture. Anyways. And then from NYX, I got a bunch of liners because I hadn't bought liners in quite some time. So there's like every color in the rainbow, and they're all really pretty, and I'm super stoked about them. This will be a great tool to have in my makeup arsenal. And then I kind of went a little bit heavy-handed with the Juvia's Place palettes. The first one that I got is the Nudes from Juvia's Place, because gorgeous. That is this that I got. It's so pretty and like it's totally worth it. I want to do kind of a Juvia's Place series, and I have quite a bit from them now. I've kind of accumulated a great collection, and I'm very, very happy with their shadows and the quality of them. They're gorgeous. And then I got the Warrior Volume 3. Some of their palettes tend to kind of get phased out, so if you like something, I would grab it, especially when they go on sale, because they have been going on sale. So this is the Warrior palette. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this shade because it's very unique to really any eyeshadow palette, especially the blues up here, and just gorgeous. Very, very happy to play with these things. And then I got the Mauves by Juvia's Place. So, whoa. That one is so, so pretty. Let me swatch some of these shades. Actually, I need to wipe my hand off. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch some of the eyeshadow palettes. So this is the Mauves, and I'm going to swatch this shade right here. Oh, that one is really pretty. Goodness me. And then I'm going to do this kind of matte color, which I'm super, super happy with because I've just always been looking for shades like this. And it just seems like they just don't exist. So pretty. Then let's do the nudes. So this is the Nudes palette. And I love the color variations in here. It's not completely nude. It's just very, just I don't know, it's like kind of a nude palette that I really like. It's a fun nude palette. It's not blasé, if you will. So let's do some of the nude shades. So this peach tone right here. It's right there. You can't really see it because it is nude. So let's do this kind of brown sugar color. Oh, that's really pretty. These colors, these shadows are just so smooth. And then I'm going to do this one right here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's right here. It's so pretty. It's basically blinding you. So gorgeous. Oh, super excited. Okay. So I'm going to definitely swatch the mustard tone in here. Gorgeous. Definitely a true mustard shade. Gorgeous. So happy with that. Let's do the purple. Oh my gosh, can you already see that? Can you already see how great that's gonna be? Can you see it? Can you see it? And I am gonna do both of the blues because I just can't resist. So, oh my gosh, that is so smooth. So smooth. Like silk. Like just powdered sugar. Powdered sugar, super silky. I'm not even knowing what I'm trying to say. And this one. Oh geez. Wow. These are just beautiful. Look at that. Just look at it. Look at it go. Okay. So I am so like over the moon with the purchases that I've gotten. I did get a lot of this stuff on sale, so that's why there's so much of it, because I mean, if you're gonna save money, you might as well save a big chunk of it. So if there's any palettes or anything that you saw in here that you would like more in-depth, like reviews, tutorials, anything, please leave a comment down below. Comments are very welcome here. I very much love feedback. It really helps me out. And without further ado, this is a short haul because I don't need to keep you if you just want to see a snippet. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.